Greetings, family. What's going on? Crypto Cody checking back in once again. Okay, got your nightly news. Remember, comment below. Let me know y'all checking in. If you got any ideas, I'm just trying this thing out. Let me know if any suggestions. Let me know what you like best, what you don't like, even. Okay. All right. Let's get. All right. Let's. First thing I like to do is check out the fear and greed index in the market. We looking at 28 right now. Okay, family, 28 on the fear and greed index. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. Yesterday we saw we was at 25, and the day before I believe we was at 16. So we see it's inching back up the greed side a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, family. Now here I'm gonna slide over to CoinGecko and have a look at what's going on. They say it's $2.4 trillion in the market cap. Okay, $2.4 trillion in the market cap, according to CoinGecko. As you know, family, you can double check. The two most popular websites is CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So right now it's saying the Bitcoin dominance is at 38% and the ETH dominance is at 28%. Okay, family. So of that $2.4 trillion, 38% of it is Bitcoin and 20% of it is Ethereum, and the rest is divided up between the other altcoins. Okay. So let's go back up to the top. I can click here and then I'll just click on coins. Click by market cap. Right here to tell you Bitcoin right now is at 50,000 today, family. On the 24 hours is down 1.6%. Ethereum right now is sitting at $44,291, negative 1.3% on the day. Okay, fam. So if I click here at the top, the 24 hours, and we can see the biggest gainers of today. Tezos pulling in at 30% gain today. 30% Tezos. And I believe they did have some news, right? We saw some news on Tezos on Twitter. If we don't come across it when we get to the news portion of the show, then we'll definitely just touch on it a little bit. All right, so now I was at the gainers for the day. So Spell token had a 16% gain today. It's sitting at 0.019, so almost at 2 cents. Chainlink up 7% today, $21.50 right now. Curve went up 7% today. It's sitting at $4 right now. Okay, family. You know me, I like to check the biggest losers. Biggest losers on the day, we got Theta Fuel, negative 8%, sitting at 23 cents right now. Radix taking a beating on the market, negative 7%. I said it was a beating because it's been going down. It's negative 34% on the whole week. Radix is the token I was looking at. This DeFi layer 1 system. It's very interesting. Avalanche is negative 7% on the 24 hours, coming in at $88 right now. $88 for Avalanche. Okay, family. All right. So now let's jump around to the news real quick. Okay. So I'm on Decrypt right now, family. Decrypt. The first news article says Deuce X Anima, this AR startup aims to launch NFTs into the space. So AR is augmented reality. So we have virtual reality, then we have augmented reality. The best way to explain augmented reality is like Snapchat or the Pokemon game, where you just it adds a layer to what's already going on. So like how you guys looking at me right now, and then you can see like a little Pokemon character on my shoulder right here. That would be like augmented reality. So anime is big, and anime is big. So anime Deuce X Anime. This is anime augmented reality wants to build a bridge between the physical and and the metaverse world. This is what we're saying, family. Metaverse, NFTs, games is definitely in line with what we're saying, man. That's definitely a narrative. Narrative meaning it's a lot of people talking about the same thing. So yeah, that's a big narrative. We're not gonna forget about that. NFTs, metaverse, right? Big narrative right now. Enso Finance launches vampire attack against 6 Ethereum DeFi products in what could be considered a controversial bootstrapping strategy. Enso Finance has announced that it's launching a month-long vampire attack that could drain nearly 1 billion from it could drain nearly 1 billion from 6 competing DeFi protocols. Okay, a vampire attack sources liquidity by siphoning it from one or several competing projects. The vampire analogy ends there. The initial attack doesn't actually change the nature of the project that was targeted. And so a platform that allows users to combine investing strategies into meta strategies and follow others launched earlier this year. It will target 6 pools with accumulated 941 billion on Tuesday, according to data from DeFi Llama. This is interesting. It just showed me how much money is in this DeFi space. Japan aims to force stablecoin issuers to register as banks. So if you're issuing stablecoin, they want you to label yourself as banks in Japan, which we all know is a big fight between centralized banks and the this DeFi space. And it's interesting how it's going to go down. But we're going to keep our eye on it. That's a big narrative right now, family. A big narrative right now is definitely stable coins, right? So stable coins, whether and the thing is, some of them are backed by the currency, like Japanese currency or U.S. currency, and then now we have these algorithmic stable coins where they're not backed by a specific currency, but by an algorithm. So it's real interesting. It's new, so it's something to keep your eye on. It's the talk. It's a big talk. It's a big narrative right now. So pay attention to stable coins. Next article. Tezos price jumps 37%. That's what we were talking about after Ubisoft reveals NFT launch on its network. So the Tezos was the biggest gainer today, stored as high as $5.48, and was under $4 yesterday. Markets are reacting favorably to this morning's announcement that Ubisoft will become the first major video game publisher to create in-game NFTs. This is real major, family, because there's a lot of games, and games is a big narrative right now. But the fact that Ubisoft is a major gaming company, like they're already established in the traditional gaming world. So the fact that they are partnering and getting in on this now is big, because Ubisoft is a big brand, been out for 20 years plus. So they're known for AAA games. That's the term I was looking for. They're known for AAA games. They're not going to bring no little Mickey Mouse game to the NFT, to the metaverse. So this is exciting. You know what I mean? This is not going to be your Axie Infinity game. This is Ubisoft. Their name is on the line. So this is huge. This is why Tezo soared up 30% today, because it's probably going to be a game that's going to interest people. Shares of the French company are trading 4% higher, but Tezos, its blockchain partner, is the real winner. So Ubisoft, they're a publicly traded company. Their stocks went up 4% today, but as we know, blockchain is different, crypto different. The crypto Tezos went up 30% today, spiked on the news. It traded as high as $5.40 before dipping as low as $4. Ubisoft's maker of games Assassin's Creed and Prince of Persia announced its new Ubisoft Quartz platform would enable players to buy and win in-game items that are minted as Tezos NFTs. The digital tokens representing ownership of an asset. The non-fungible tokens will make their first appearance in Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Okay, family, this sounds like one of them first-person shooting games. Like, okay, they got a little picture right here. Let's see, I can zoom in for y'all. Let's see, I can zoom in. See, y'all can see it, right? That's it. Ghost Ubisoft's Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon. You know, I'm not a gamer type, but it looked similar to like Call of Duty type thing. The integration of the entities, if the entities could increase the feeling of the investment of players having games while laying the groundwork for interoperability between games and secondary markets to profit off rare items. This is big, family, because you know traditionally games are making their money already. So for that, these people to realize to make the switch, you know, from they're making billions of dollars to and then to switch to a whole new business model, then you know it's gonna start something. It might even start a spiral, you know, effect where Ubisoft is not the only people doing this. Like it might be some other people. Tezos coin praise, da 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 da. We know, okay. Tezos and Ubisoft saw I skipped a couple paragraphs. Sought to head such arguments off at the pass, peppering the press release with distinctions between the proof of stake blockchain and its energy dependent cousin Bitcoin. So Tezos is a proof of stake blockchain. So proof of stake and there's proof of work, right? So the proof of stake is the owners, the investors are we're gonna basically stake the coin to secure the network versus different nodes doing proof of work to validate the network. So you know it's something to look into. It's something to research, family. Dig into a little bit deeper. What's the difference between proof of stake and proof of work? You know, some people love proof of stake. Some people love proof of work. Uh, you know, digging deeper and see what's yours. I don't want to give my opinion. I'd rather people form their own opinion. You know. So let's see. Let's go back. Let's go back. See what other articles we got here. CI confirms rumors it really is working on cryptocurrency projects. Well, everyone's working on cryptocurrency projects. I'm not shocked. Like, you know, crypto has no barrier. Like you could be fresh out of jail or fresh out the CIA, man. It don't matter. Everyone's in it. Rarible plots multi-chain NFT future will with Ethereum, Flow, Tezos, and more. So NFT marketplace Rarible might appear similar to leading rival OpenSea at glance, but it has a different approach towards serving digital collectors. Okay, so Rarible NFT platform where you can purchase NFTs, or if you're a creator, post your NFTs for sale. But now they're looking into a multi-chain future with being able to use different blockchains to sort out your Ethereum. So right now, only on OpenSea, it's Ethereum based. So it's saying Rarible is looking into using Ethereum, Flow, and Tezos, and just to be an interoperable block space for the NFTs, which is big. You know what I mean? Because that's a big thing. You know, no one wants to be tied down to one thing. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt joins Chainlink Lab as an advisor. Okay, all my Chainlink fans out there, Chainlink is an oracle, right? It's an oracle used by mostly everyone in the crypto space. And now they're having an advisor, Eric Schmidt, a former CEO from Google, which could only span and make Oracle Chainlink ever better. Like Chainlink already is capturing a large part of the market share when it comes to Oracle. Like they are the number one leader. It's like saying Bitcoin as far as them being an Oracle. They have the majority of the market share. So that's even big. You know, they hired a new CEO to make sure they stay on top. Okay. What's next? How X5 Finance opens a multi-chain DeFi universe to millions of users. Yeah, DeFi is big. That's always going to be a good narrative. DeFi, you know what I mean? That's never going to go nowhere because that's decentralized finance on the blockchain. Lending, borrowing, staking, making your money work for you while you sleep. Okay? Fidelity Digital Assets taps Nexo's crypto credit lines in partnership. Crypto lender Nexo announces a new collaboration with institutional crypto custodial Fidelity Digital Assets for a suite of products aimed at providing institutional investors with an on-ramp. Okay, that sounds like more onboarding more people. Okay. DeFi liquidity protocol Kimber DNM launches suite of new feature, rebrands the Kyber swap. DeFi, decentral exchanges. Next article, Bitcoin, Ethereum mount recovery as crypto markets rebound. Hey, it's crypto, man. It's ups and downs, ebbs and flows. We used to this right about now, man. It's gonna go up and it's gonna go down. Okay. All right, family. That was a mouthful of news. Had a lot of news right there on Decrypt. So basically, I'm just gonna go straight into some alpha. Okay. So we talked about NFT, metaverse, and gaming as a narrative. We talked about stable coins as a narrative. And we talked about DeFi as a narrative today. Now I'm going to check out what's going on in the layer 2 narrative. Okay, family? So this is what I'm looking at. I'm on the L2Beat website, right? Zoom out so y'all can see. L2Beat. And so right now, so L2B, so layer 2 is protocols and projects built on Ethereum. So they use Ethereum for their security, but they're not using all their transactions at one time on Ethereum. They do it in a group and then send them over to Ethereum as like a group discount, so we could get cheaper gas fees. Okay, so let me zoom in here. These are the list of the layers. Am I zooming in? Okay, y'all can see it now. Okay, so we got Arbitrum. Total value locked in this protocol is $2.45 billion, right? And this is the research, fam. So there looks like there's a couple types of layer 2s, correct? There's optimistic rollup, and then there's the ZK rollup. And then we have the Palladium. So these look like the three types of the technology using for these layer 2 technology, right? So why I'm talking about this, because they're solving a big problem, the Ethereum gas fees, right? So the Ethereum gas fees has been a big issue. So with these layer twos coming out on Ethereum, there's been a lot of talk about airdrops, family. There's been a lot of talk about airdrops. Like Arbitrum, they don't have a token yet. They have 2.45 billion locked. DYDX, they recently did an airdrop. They have $977 million locked. Bobo Network, they recently did an airdrop. They have $874 million locked. Loopring, they have a token. Optimism, they do not have a token. So we're looking at Arbitrum, Optimism, ZK Swap. I'm not sure if Immutable X did their airdrop yet. And we're looking at ZK Sync and Diversify, family. So these are potential layer twos. This is purely hypothetical. I'm just keeping my ear to the crypto Twitter. You know what I'm saying? And this is something I just picked up, that these layer twos might be doing airdrops. And what you want to do is just interact with them, right? Just interact with them. So we have, let's look at one called ZK Swap. Let's see if I can get to their website from here. Social, ZK Swap officials, all their social app. Bam. All right, so it's just an app. It's just an app, family. It's a DEX, decentralized exchange, right? So basically, you would connect your wallet, connect your MetaMask. Oh, you got to change wrong network. So how would I, what's network does it say it is? Please change the MetaMask network to one of the following: Ether. Da 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 da. I don't know why I'm not on the Ether. So basically, family, you just connect your wallet and swap some coins, right? And that's how you potentially qualify for airdrops. And the same airdrop was going on too. You know, we're talking, well, not the same airdrop, but the same thing is going on with MetaMask, right? So MetaMask, there's been a lot of talk. You know, it's rumors, crypto Twitter, that they might be doing an airdrop. So what you want to do is interact with MetaMask too, and it might be a little bit more fees, but I'm sure if you use the Polygon network with MetaMask, you can do a swap on there, and it might help you qualify for the MetaMask airdrop. Okay, family. So yeah, I'm gonna probably be wrapping up now. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Remember, comment below. Let me know. Let me know what you liked about the news. What you think I could improve on. What you think I could do better. What you think you didn't like. Okay, family. All right. Appreciate y'all, man. Like I said, leave some comments. Let me know what y'all think. See y'all tomorrow night at 11 o'clock news. Okay. Peace.